In this video, we learn how to calculate probability for a standardized normal distribution using Casio fx-9750. The question asks, for the standardized normal distribution Z, which means the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. A. Find the probability of Z values of less than or equal to 1.96. B. Find the probability of values of more than or equal to 1.96. And C. Find the probability of Z values between minus 1.96 and 1.96. For part A, we know the Z value and we are looking for the probability or area. So press menu, then number 2 for stat. Press F5 for distribution, followed by F1 for normal distribution. Select NCD for normal cumulative distribution by pressing F2. Set the data to variable by pressing F2 and press the downward arrow. Pick a small number for the lower bound. You can use a value less than mean, which is 0, minus 6 standard deviations. So any value less than minus 6 would work. We can choose minus 10 and execute. The upper bound is 1.96 and execute. The standard deviation and mean for standardized normal distribution are 1 and 0 respectively. So press 1 and execute, followed by 0 and execute. Press the downward arrow and press EXE or F1 to calculate the probability. For part B, press exit. This time the lower bound is 1.96, so enter 1.96 and execute. Pick a large number for the upper bound. You can use a value more than mean, which is 0, plus 6 standard deviations. So any value more than 6 would work. We can choose 10 and execute. The standard deviation and mean for standardized normal distribution are 1 and 0 respectively. Press the downward arrow twice and press EXE or F1 to calculate the probability. For part C, press exit. This time the lower bound is minus 1.96, so enter minus 1.96 and execute. The upper bound is 1.96 and execute. The standard deviation and mean for standardized normal distribution are 1 and 0 respectively. Press the downward arrow twice and press EXE or F1 to calculate the probability.